Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to customize Google Chrome. If you're done with using your old or default Google Chrome and you want something new, then in this video, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first, you have to simply open up your Google Chrome, and on your home page, you will see this option Customize Chrome. Click onto it and you will find bunch of different color themes that you can use. Simply click onto any one of these and it will get applied. And for the toolbar, there are bunch of options that you can use. Whatever option from there you want to have on your toolbar, you can just simply toggle on that option. If you want to remove something, you can toggle off that option and it will get removed. So whatever option you would like to go with, simply toggle it on and it will be added on top in your toolbar. So it's up to you. You can go with as many options as you would like to. Other than that, if you want to change the background, there are different images that you can use, and if you want to add different solid colors, there are a bunch of them also available. You can go for it. So this is the option that you will get on your home page, but if you want to go further in the options, you can click onto the three dots and click on settings, and on the left you will see this option for appearance. From there you can manage all of these options. So this is about the appearance and theme. If you want to edit your extensions or manage extensions, you can click onto it and then you can click on manage extensions. You will find all extensions that you have uploaded. You can just simply turn them off. If you want to remove them, you can click onto it and it will get removed. So you can manage all of your extensions in this page. So that's how you can customize Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.